LawDepot Real Estate Contract Templates App. The pros, the cons. The LawDepot Real Estate Contract Templates app is designed to make buying, selling or leasing property easier, but most people get this wrong when they assume it replaces a lawyer. The surprising truth is that it provides professionally drafted templates that can save time and reduce errors, while still letting you customize documents to your specific needs. One of the biggest pros is convenience. Whether you need a purchase agreement, lease, rental agreement, or property disclosure form, the app guides you step by step. You can fill out forms, make edits, and instantly download legally formatted documents without printing stacks of papers or scheduling meetings. Another advantage is cost effectiveness. Traditional legal services for real estate contracts can run hundreds or even thousands of dollars. LawDepot offers affordable subscription plans and pay-per-document options, which is especially helpful for first-time homebuyers, landlords, or small investors. However, there are cons. While templates are professionally drafted, they might not cover state-specific nuances or complex situations like multi-party transactions or commercial properties. Also, users need to carefully read and understand the legal language, because mistakes or misunderstandings could have serious consequences. In conclusion, the LawDepot Real Estate Contract Templates app is an excellent tool for anyone seeking efficiency and affordability in real estate transactions. It simplifies paperwork, reduces costs, and provides step-by-step guidance, but it should be used with caution for complex deals. For straightforward transactions, it's a practical solution that helps you stay organized and legally prepared without breaking the bank.